Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make hot and yummy veggie chili. So let's just start. The ingredients which I have used are corns. I have boiled these corns. I have taken mixed beans like kala chana and kidney beans, rajma. I have boiled them as well. Then I have taken the bell peppers, green chilies, tomatoes, and yes, I forgot to put onions and garlic and ginger here, so you can add those in your ingredients list as well. So let's just get started. I have taken oil in my old skillet. Usually this recipe requires a crock pot, but I didn't had one, so I thought why not I should try it in my old skillet, and it pretty much solved the purpose. The veggie chili was amazing. So as soon as your oil starts to heat up, just add cumin seeds. When they start cracking up, we'll put the green chilies. I have taken my vegetables here. I have corns, onions, green chilies and bell peppers. So first of all, I am going to put onions in it. Green chili in it. Just saute it for 1 to 2 minutes and then add onion and garlic paste and saute again for a minute or two. Then we are going to add the finely chopped onions and we'll fry them again. Now you'll see here that the onions are turning little bit brownish. So now it's time to add other vegetables. So I'm going to add the bell peppers. Once I'll saute them for 1 or 2 minutes, then I'm going to add corns in it. And yes, I have blanched my tomatoes separately, and we'll use the blanched tomatoes because it will give a very nice texture to your veggie chili. Let's mix it together and saute it for again 5 minutes, and then I'm going to add the blanched tomatoes. Mix it well together and let it cook for again 5 to 10 minutes, and then we are going to add our boiled beans. Now this is the water in which I have boiled these beans. I am using the same water. Now let's add the seasonings. We'll add the salt and red chili powder. You can add it according to your taste. And mix it well. Let me tell you, there is nothing better than a big bowl of hot and yummy veggie chili in a cold winter night. So you should definitely give it a try. I have added oregano here. It's completely optional. You can add it or you can avoid it totally altogether. Mix it well and then let it boil. I thought that I need to add more water. You can adjust the water quantity according to your desirable consistency. Mix it well and let it boil. Now you will see that it has started boiling, and then I'll reduce the flame to sim and let it simmer for say about 20 to 30 minutes. Just keep on checking in between. If you think that the water has evaporated, you can add more water certainly, and mix it in between. See, it has reduced, and this is the perfect consistency I wanted for my veggie chili to be. Let's serve it hot. You can use it, you can have it with your rice, chapati or quinoa, or you can have it as it is as well. Do give it a try and comment below how did you like it. I'm sure you will love it. So guys, please share this recipe with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.